We have seen significant and groundbreaking activities in India this month on AI. Last week I was in the RAISE 2020 conference, and today I'm here with all of you for this All.ai 2020 Summit. You know, I'm excited to welcome you to this fourth day of the conference. It really is a wonderful opportunity to address such a large community of distinguished guests from academia to startup community to industry reps, government officials. This conference is really an opportunity to bring together many initiatives that we've all been working on for the past several months and years. You know, the last 3 days have been monumental. Intel India and the Ministry of Education in India jointly set a Guinness World Records title for the most users to take an online artificial intelligence lesson in 24 hours. Intel launched our Applied AI Research Center called All.ai, and this center exists to develop AI technologies to solve national challenges. We kickstarted our virtual youth symposium aimed at introducing AI to school kids. These are significant initiatives that I think are critical to address the opportunities and challenges that the AI age brings with it. And this is what makes my role at Intel so very interesting. As you know, the theme of the summit is about using the power of AI to solve India's biggest challenges. The scale of the problem is exponential and it really requires a new approach. It's also consistent with Intel's purpose. You know, at Intel, our commitment to positive global impact is embedded in our purpose, which is to create world-changing technology that enriches the lives of every person on Earth. Our corporate responsibility strategy and goals are integrated into our business strategy and our operational objectives. Our solutions unleash the unlimited potential of data, leading to innovation that improves people's lives all over the world. You know, data has emerged as a transformational force in an era where there's an explosion of devices that permeate all of our interactions. Think about it. Everything, our homes, our cars, our cities, and our hospitals now all look like a computer, and they all generate staggering volumes of data. Retail stores, hospitals, manufacturing plants, and even cars are becoming factories of data. You know, technology can really be an enabler of bright ideas, and artificial intelligence is making a difference with wonderful applications in many sectors. We're seeing AI make its impact on our daily lives, both visible and in invisible ways. And the possibilities for this class of technologies is almost limitless. Today, AI is helping to address challenges across a multiple of industries, from A like agriculture to T like telecom and transport. AI helps achieve higher yields and increased efficiency in the area of agriculture. AI is transforming the learning experience for many students, and AI is revolutionizing treatment for patients. And we think about automation and making our world safer, especially in the area of mobility. And there are so many other examples of the value of AI. In addition, it is apparent that COVID-19 has already accelerated the deployment of AI in the world of health. For example, a medical imaging AI diagnostic solution using CT chest scans can assist early detection of the coronavirus infection to complement the standard lab testing. AI and vision help us manufacture face masks and personal protective equipment. Robots are used to disinfect hospitals. Telemedicine in the intensive care units support care teams with surveillance and analytics. And these reduced COVID-19 exposure by enabling clinical distancing between care providers and patients. And finally, AI is also being used for contact tracing. As you can see, the potential of AI to advance healthcare and save lives is truly astonishing. Now, while the opportunities and the possibilities are enormous, it will take a collaborative approach for research, for development, and the scaling of this technology. We need to encourage a collaborative approach between governments, industry, the academia, and across borders. This collaborative approach will provide opportunity to harness the best capabilities that are available in the ecosystem and will build trust that is critical for this mass adoption of these technologies. In the next decade, AI-led innovations are expected to add trillions of dollars to the world GDP. And countries that are prepared will be in the best position to address these opportunities. In my opinion, there are 4 vectors that we need to realize for these opportunities. The first one is skilled workforce for the future. You know, any technology creates disruption, and AI is no different. Economies that are able to rapidly skill and reskill their workforce are better prepared to seize the opportunity and to mitigate that risk. Broad-based skilling and reskilling initiatives across schools, colleges, and government leaders are critical. The second is applied AI research and innovation. Countries that have very strong focus on building foundational technology, tools, and frameworks to address these problems are going to be at an advantage. Third is startups. These play a vital role in capturing the value that's created by AI-led innovations. You know, a robust and vibrant startup and entrepreneurial ecosystem is vital to build these innovative products and solutions using the technologies that are developed in applied research and these innovation centers. And fourth and finally are helpful policies. You know, policy will play a critical role in enabling all of the above. Some of the key principles I believe are important include 1, fostering innovation by promoting development and use of open technologies. 2, liberating data responsibly and strategically. 3, protecting and promoting privacy and security. 4, requiring accountability and discouraging discrimination. And finally, encouraging human employment and protecting people's welfare. The goal is to augment humanity and not replace it. So with all this said, what is the opportunity for India? Well, I believe that India is uniquely positioned in terms of availability of data, availability of skilled manpower, 3rd largest startup ecosystem, and a favorable policy environment to lead and to deliver AI goodness, and not just for India, but for the entire world. India has the opportunity to foster international collaboration, to develop and incubate trusted data sets. You know, AI requires large, high-quality data sets to develop algorithms and train data sets. India has the opportunity to become the quantitative leader in qualitative diverse data sets and to enable a truly global AI ecosystem. India also has the opportunity to create an important place for itself in the world by using the power of AI to solve humanity's greatest challenges. And myself, I am so glad that as Intel, we are taking a leadership role in helping India realize this amazing opportunity. I'd like to thank you for your time.